Oh, hello everyone. My name's Grandpapa. I'm going to sing you a song. I'm going to sing Two Little Dickie Birds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Two little Dickie birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Two little ducklings waddling down the lane. One named Jenny, one named Jane. Waddle, waddle, Jenny, waddle, waddle, Jane. Come back, Jenny, come back, Jane. Two little Dickie birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Two little ducklings waddling down the lane. One named Jenny, one named Jane. Waddle, waddle, Jenny, waddle, waddle, Jane. Come back, Jenny, come back, Jane. Come back, Jenny, come back, Jane. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time for another song. Bye-bye for now.